everyone, welcome to the vlog. It is travel day. I'm currently at the airport waiting to board to Paris. So if you love to travel, a bit of Disney, or just generally a little bit of fun, make sure you stick around. Let's go. So we're just en route to the gate now. Time to board the plane. It's me again, so we're just on the metro now, heading into Paris. We landed a little bit earlier than anticipated. It's now 9 AM, or just before 9 AM, and we will be in Paris in about half an hour. So now we are in Paris. We are just heading off to a coffee shop that we've heard a lot about. I will update you when we are there. Been to the coffee. This is somewhere near to the Louvre. This actually isn't a coffee, it's a matcha and strawberry, so we'll give it a go. Oh, that's lovely. You want to try?
It's like a dessert or something, isn't it? Nice.
Summer is not a time to come to the Louvre. So this is the Louvre. As you can see, crowds are crowding. I wouldn't recommend the summertime to come to the Louvre, although the queue is not that bad. So we've just been to Gallery Lafayette, the food hall one. We've got a croque monsieur, a pizza, and a beignet. Nice. No. Don't go. Well, he's already taken a bite. What's it like? 10 out of 10 would recommend. Now we're on a river cruise. If you can even hear us over the audio. A river cruise along the scene.
Took place in the tunnel located below the monument. So today the plane is considered as a memorial to the belonging. There is no central pillar. So some Parisians, notre cadeau, un cadeau d'Égypte à la France pour remercier. Mais les travaux ont duré très longtemps.
Yeah, so somehow we've ended up in a, what is it, a horse jumping competition. Right by the, oh, where is it? The Eiffel Tower. So we're just having a little walk around, having a little mooch, and see what's going on.
In Saint-Tropez on our tour of Penelope, Saint-Tropez Town.
Oh, light one's kicking off. Bouillon, lad. You okay? So we've just picked up some macarons from the air here. Let's see. A little diddy box. Oh. Lord help me.
The crown reveal.
Alright, which one should we give a try first?
Try the raspberry one. You know what you get them. It's just good.
Is that raspberry?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, watch them fall. Lovely little backdrop for you. Nice.
Oh, lovely.
Ten out of 10 would recommend.
Yeah, but you need to see yours before I use it up.
Very jammy. It's nice.
It's nice, isn't it? Lovely. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. So we're going to try the apricot next.
Let's see a close up. There you go. What do you reckon? Better than the raspberry? No.
It's not as sweet.
No.
Nice, but not. Doesn't kick you. You know the way the raspberry, like it's so like flavourful.
Yeah. It's gonna attack my flies.
With that. Nice, isn't it? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Not as pungent, but nice.
Pungent. Yeah, it's nice. It's just fresh, but it's not as nice as the raspberry.
Happy days.
Yeah.
So we're just at Bouillon Republic and we are about to have a meal here. We will let you know what it's like and let you know all about it shortly. So I got these fake frites and these frites or chips, whatever you want to call them, are so good, they're so unreal. But Jack got the pork shank and like a honey or something.
Caramelised pork shank.
That is the best meat that I have probably ever had. It is unreal. So good. I haven't had my steak yet, but I've had it before and it was nice. And then we've had the duck foie gras. So far it's just like a pate, we rate it. So now we're on to dessert and this is what we've got. Why not do it, Jack?
Double click it. Give it to the top.
Another one? Yeah. Here we are, 16 hours later. Like.
Still recording that.
So, here we are, 16 hours later, waiting for our shuttle bus to finally check into the hotel. It's been a long day, as you can tell.
Bottle of wine's been consumed.
Bottle of wine has been consumed, food has been eaten, laughs have been had.
20,000 steps.
23,000 steps. Makeup has been sweated literally off, hence why I am clearing your screen. Here we are. So we will give you a room tour when we arrive. Bye. So we stayed in the Cafés hotel just off site in Disneyland Paris. This was our first time staying here. We've heard nothing but good things about it and noticed how less hectic the shuttles have been in past visits. So we thought we'd give it a try, and with it being one of the cheaper hotels to stay in, it was really a no-brainer. So we thought we'd just give it a go. Upon our arrival, I noticed firstly how modern and clean it is. It was a lovely looking hotel, and the shuttle, as expected, was a lot less hectic than other hotels. We love staying off-site in Disney because we don't really see the benefits of getting the tickets as we are annual pass holders. So it was a no-brainer really to try this off-site one for a much lower price. It is very modern and technological. You do need to have your phone for a key entry to your room. When we arrived to the room, the first thing I noticed was how clean it was. This is something that really bugs me when I book into a hotel, is the cleanliness of a hotel. So when I first walked in here, I was absolutely astonished by how spotless it actually was. A little room tour, where's light? This light? No. To do a little room tour, you've got a lot of storage. In here is the bathroom with a separate toilet and a shower. Really modern, to be fair, spotless. And then as you come into here, you've got Jackson in the window displayed. A little kitchenette with a little island, a little desk area, and a nice big comfy bed which Jack's already imprinted his bum in. And it's not the best view, but given that the room's absolutely spotless, I can't really fault it. So we did forget to film an outro, unfortunately, after our long Paris stay. By the time we got to the hotel, it was just so late and it just absolutely slipped our minds. So I just thought I'd do a quick little voiceover for you, just to let you know I do appreciate you giving the time to give this a watch. Hope you're looking forward to the Disney vlogs. They will be coming shortly. Got 2 days planned. Hopefully there'll be 2 separate vlogs for you all to watch. If you have liked this video, please subscribe, give us a like, and we will see you on the next one. Bye!